Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on your Toyota Prius. First, locate the menu button on your car's display screen. This button is your gateway to accessing various settings, including the time. Once you press it, a new set of options will appear, guiding you to the clock adjustment feature. It's a straightforward process to ensure your time is always accurate. After pressing Menu, you'll see several icons. Select Setup to proceed to the general settings. Within the Setup menu, look for the Clock option. Tapping on Clock will open the dedicated time adjustment screen. This is where you can begin to modify the hours and minutes to match the current time. It's designed to be intuitive. On the Clock adjustment screen, you'll find controls to change the hours and minutes. Typically, there are plus and minus buttons or arrows to increment or decrement the time. Adjust the hour first, then move to the minutes. Don't forget to set the correct AM or PM designation if your system uses a 12-hour format. Take your time to get it just right. Once you've set the correct hour and minute, double-check that the displayed time is accurate. To save your changes, look for an OK or Enter button on the screen. Pressing this will confirm your new clock settings. Finally, exit the menu to return to your normal display. Your Prius clock is now perfectly synchronized and ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.